The 2024 Hyundai Kona exterior and interior images are out. The exterior is futuristic, stylish and cool. The interior is premium and high-tech. Comes with dual 12.3-inch screens and ambient lighting based on the images. Of course, it will come with a normal internal combustion option or a hybrid or full electric option, and there will be a top of the line N-line version as well. Again, will there be a full-blown N model? That is to be seen, but based on the sales of the current Kona, I think they should offer one. They probably will again. They probably will. Then, of course, compared to its competition like the Mazda CX-30, the Toyota Corolla Cross, the Honda HR-V, I don't think it beats those three subcompact SUVs. I'm sorry, I can't see it. All those three are either more premium in terms of the interior design, offers more technology, or offers more comfort, or more performance, or better fuel economy. Now, I know it's too early to make an assessment, but here's the thing. If you look at a Kona at this point, you can understand it's going to have the same engines as a Kia Niro, most likely. And if it's a hybrid, it's obviously going to be shared with the Niro. And if it's EV, same fact. So that's why I'm saying overall as a package, while this is a futuristic, stylish, cool-looking SUV, it's not good as the HR-V, the CX-30 or the Corolla Cross. That's a fact. But I have no doubt that this is in the top 5 list of the best subcompact SUVs, so the money you can buy in the United States. There is no question about that. And miles better than the previous Kona. And there is no question about that either. So on this notion, I'm going to end this video. Thank you very much.